Hi everyone. Welcome back to BhashaLab. Today, we are going to tackle another common grammar question: when to use my and when to use mine. Let's get started. First, let's understand the basic difference. My is a possessive adjective, which means it is used before a noun to show ownership. For example, in the sentence, "This is my book," my shows that the book belongs to you. On the other hand, mine is a possessive pronoun. It's used to replace a noun to show ownership. For example, in the sentence, "This book is mine," mine shows that the book belongs to you without repeating the noun, book. Now, let's see how this works with more examples. Remember, use my before a noun and mine to replace a noun. In the sentence, "That's my car," my is used before the noun, car. In the sentence, "That car is mine," mine replaces the noun, car. In the sentence, "She likes my idea," my is used before the noun, idea. And there you have it. Remember, use my as a possessive adjective before a noun and mine as a possessive pronoun to replace a noun. Practice these tips, and soon you will be a grammar expert. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to BhashaLab for more English grammar tips. Thanks for watching.